Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Through this channel, I am trying to get fluency in my English speaking and hopefully sharing everything whatever I'm learning or whatever I want to talk with you as a real talk. Yes, everything in English so that we can build a habit to our brain to listen everything in English, of course, to speak everything in English. My dear friends, yesterday I was learning grammar book, learning a page of that book. And in that page there were lots of light verbs. Yes, light verbs, it means that those verbs which having their no meaning, but if we use them in a combination with a noun, they create sense. And I believe they are actually very helpful. Yes, through there are so many linguists who says that these light verbs create a strong impact while conversation, while you are in meeting or in any social situations. At that time, these light verbs helps us to speak, to express our feelings in English. Of course, these are very helpful. So why don't we use them a lot? My dear friends, so in this video I'm gonna explain this, and hopefully by the end of this video you will come to know how to use them exactly. So I am just asking a question. Okay, there are a lot of verbs which creates chaos in our mind how to use them and what to use. But if I say that these verbs are very simple to use, would you believe? Of course, you have to believe by the end of this video. Okay, the first set of the light verb is make, do. When you create or produce, then we use make. When we so this was the first set of light verbs, do and make. My dear friends, let's ask me a question. Do me a favor or make me a favor. What will you choose? So the correct answer is do me a favor. Similarly, uh, if you learn the second set, it is take and get. So this pair of verbs says that if we are deliberating action intentionally, then we use take. Again, let me ask a question. Okay. Finally, I am taking the result, or finally I am getting the result. What will you choose? My dear friends, here we will use finally we are getting the results. Because the situation before taking and after taking it will changes, and absolutely we should here get is used. Hope you understood. A lot of pairs we can make with such combinations. Don't worry about the verbs. Verbs are fixed, but we can use a lot different nouns and we can make different combinations. Put, set, go. These appear similar, but we can create a lot of combinations with these verbs also. Similarly, the other set is have and give. This also having the combination if we use them. So don't get confused between these verbs and use them precisely. You will see the change in your conversation. My dear friends, yes, once you start using them, you will start hearing them everywhere. I believe that it will create a good impact in your conversation, in your situation while speaking in English. Yes, hopefully this video is helpful to you, and if you are finding any mistake, then you can comment below. I will absolutely improve that. Okay, but if not, if you are curious to know more things, then you can join my family. And yes, let's stop here. I will meet you in my upcoming videos. Take care, keep moving forward, and bye.